Welcome to Ugly Press, everybody. And this is Beto, and here we have Lila Black. And here we are discussing what we're going to do with her haircut. And we briefly went over before the video what we were going to work on. So we're going to work with a kind of a short bob. You could say kind of like a classic graduated bob technique in a way. And in the back of her nape area, we're cutting in at a 45 degrees just to create a stack, so to say. Something just to kind of help build their weight up. So we are cutting quite a bit of length, as you can see. And we're going to take pie-shaped sections. The first section, as I started my guide, just to create a guide. And from that point on, we're just taking pie-shaped sections, originating from that very center point and extending all the way to the bottom of her nape. And just cutting at a 45, you can determine the length that you want or how tight you want to go. And just for continuity, we're continuing with a classic graduated bob technique. And you can kind of see how I'm just kind of going all the way to the front. And now at this point, we've dropped the top sections down to the bottom sections just to meet up. Continuing that graduated bob technique. And you can see the buildup of weight there where I'm meeting the top of the hair to the bottom. And here on the sides, we're just using that frontal length of earpiece, that hair in front of the ear. And we're just going to remove that weight. So also that's going to create some volume and some buildup of weight on the sides of the hair while removing some excess of length. Because we do want to do a graduated bob technique, but we also want it to have a little bit of a remix, so to say. So here we go. We're just continuing with diagonal backs, cutting in at a 90 degrees straight out from that diagonal back section. And just continuing all the way down to the nape area until we run out of hair. And we're just taking section by section, diagonal backs, coming out at a 90 from that head shape. You could say perpendicular from that section. And you can see we're just eliminating that corner there. And we're just going to bring it all the way to the back of the head until we run out of hair. At this point, I decided to bring out my trusty razor. I love to cut with that razor. It just gives it a soft, seamless effect to the hair when you cut with it. And we're just dropping the very top section. You could say like a triangular section from the front. And we're just gonna almost overlap that length over the length that we just cut. So that way we're creating a little of a disconnection. Because we want to maintain that length, but mainly using it as a long bang, a disconnected long bang. That way we can get a little bit of attitude to that, what you call a classic same old graduated bob. Now I'm just kind of blowing all the hair out. I like to do some cutting, some detailing after it's dry. I get the sense that you can see more of the shape once it's dry. Anybody that has a little bit of experience understands what I'm talking about, that once the hair is dry, you can really see what the shape looks like for real. And here at the nape, I'm just softening up, getting rid of some of those extra lengths that are just, unnecessary and unneeded. And here I'm integrating the top layers to the bottom and removing some of that weight, some of that bulk there. Same with the sides. I picked up the length and separated that from the sides. And I'm just using my texturizing shears to remove some of that weight, just to give it to move. We're not there to really thin it out and overwork it, but we just want it to have a little bit of freedom. And same with the top. Even though I used a razor, I'm just using some thinning shears there just to kind of break up that shape a little bit. And drying the rest of the hair out, making sure all those particles are out. And voila, she's finished. There it is. I mean, it was pretty quick, pretty seamless. And here I'm just explaining what some of her options are of styling and, tucking that hair behind her ear. It has a little bit of versatility, more of a convertible style. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little quick glimpse of a little makeover we did with Lila Black. Hey, thank you so much. Hope you tune in for some more to come, all right? Hey, God bless you. Love you guys. Laters.